Hello everyone and welcome to Amnautic. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to update your Google Chrome. If your Google Chrome is not being up to date, I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy and simple to do. Just open your Google Chrome browser. As our Google Chrome browser is being opened, now if your Google Chrome is not up to date, it might pop up here, update Google Chrome. But if it is not shown there and possibly you knew your Google Chrome is not up to date, just left click on this three dots and go to help. Click on about Google Chrome. Once you click that, automatically it is going to check for updates. The updates which are available on Google Chrome, it will automatically download all the updates which are after downloading all that, it will tell you to relaunch Google Chrome, and all the updates which are going to be installed, your Google Chrome is going to be up to date. So that is just how easy and simple to update Google Chrome. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe, as we are going to be giving you more updates coming on Google Chrome browser. See you on our next video. Peace out.